falling in love with Aaron led to my falling in love with cars. He was always in the shop, and because I wanted to be with him all the time, I was always in the shop with him. We are Emily and Aaron Reeves, and we are sitting in our shop, which we lovingly call Flying Sparks Garage.
So I'm fourth generation engine builder. My family's diesel mechanics, so I grew up in the shop.
He was always super encouraging for me to get my hands dirty. Like the first engine we built together, when we hit the key on that engine and I had installed the one head, torqued every head bolt, that was the coolest feeling and I was hooked.
When we first get a vehicle in, it's really important to get it running, get it functioning, and then start to build a relationship with it.
We love finding projects and then getting them to the point where we can make memories in them, because that's when it hooks you. So we started the YouTube channel after Aaron had gotten me headers for Christmas for Roxy, for my GTO. So we had the car on the dyno, the oil pump went out, and sadly, we had to tear that engine down. I really, really wanted to go bigger with it. I wanted a bigger motor, I wanted some bad to the bone speed parts, and I said, Aaron, I want to start filming stuff. I want to film this engine build. This is gonna be the start of something awesome.
The channel pretty quickly created its own mission.
We get so many cool messages from families, dads that watch with their daughters, or boyfriends that have gotten their girlfriends involved with cars.
We started putting more emphasis on, hey, let's just all get out there and have fun.
Building fast cars is cool, but inspiring people, that is where it's at. When Aaron and I are ready for adventure, we do not want silly little hang-ups.
We work so hard on these cars and we have so much fun adventuring. It's nice to know that we can trust the science behind Chevron.
With Techron, we know our engines are getting improved fuel economy, best-in-class protection, and peace of mind to know that whether these vehicles are in the garage or on the road, they're going to run clean and with restored power. Because we've built this family of cars and this lineup of vehicles that we care so much about, it is so great to know that Techron also has a lineup of products for everything we need. We've got diesel engines, we've got big engines, we've got new engines, we've got old junky engines, and there is a product for each of those things. We trust the Techron products to be able to give us that peace of mind we look for. If you have the bug of the automotive passion, it is a part of you, and jumping in something and hitting the key and hitting the road is unlike any other feeling.